So I have done very few Telugu films before, but this is my first really big Telugu film at this such a big scale. So I'm absolutely grateful to be a part of this film, and actually it's now that the release date is coming soon, and I can see the kind of publicity that has been done and the kind of talk that has been going on, and I'm realizing even more that what I thought, it is bigger than that. It's really huge, and I'm very grateful that I'm part of this film. You must have seen the trailer by now. It's released. It's very royal. The look of the film, the treatment of the film, the camera is beautiful, the story is very powerful, very emotional, and it has the power and capacity to reach to absolutely everybody, like right from young people to women in the households to working men to old people, everybody. So it's like a family film. Also for young people, it's relevant. Sorry. So it's a combination of drama and love, and it's such beautiful characters written. So I think it's a very powerful film to be a part of. He's a but what do I say about Balakrishna sir? I mean, he's such a humongous superstar, and to be able to work with him was a unique experience that I've had, and I'll always remember, and I've learned so much on the sets. So basically working with Balakrishna sir has been a unique experience, and I've learned so much on the sets that I think I'll take away a lot of memories and experience with me. He's very refined in his art, and he's also an excellent dancer, and he has so much experience, and he comes from such a big family and so much experience, but he's a very humble person to work with, and he made life very easy for me on the sets. He used to help me with my lines in spite of being such a big superstar. Literally every line he used to make me go like, relax, don't worry, take your time, you will take another take, no problem, no stress. So I think it was really wonderful to work with. I of course like my own song the most. I haven't heard a lot of other songs, but two of my songs I've heard, and this is a very catchy tune, and it has a beautiful contrast of very fast rhythmic beats and a very slow, very romantic music, where we've shot a lot of beautiful montages. So I think that's my favorite song.
Okay, tell me about director.
Well, I think I remember the first time I met him, he sat me down and narrated the whole story to me, and then only I could see the passion in his eyes, literally, because every small scene, every nuance, he explained to me with a lot of zest and a lot of passion, and he was very clear about like how each line will be said by each character. So that is how much he's thought about the film and the characters. So when I was doing my lines and my work, even if it went slightly here or there, he would tell me that it's going this side and I don't want that because it will be interpreted like that. And so literally very detailed work, and a very, very passionate guy, and this is all his vision. And I think he visualizes everything with not just visualizes, but he can feel it with sound and everything on sets also. Many times during scene, he used to say that this is sort of the background that is going to come, and this is the feel, this is the rhythm of the whole scene. So what a passionate guy, I think. Lovely, absolutely.